Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Entitled Teen Loses It After Getting Fired from Arby's by Crime Cam Watch.
Refusing to leave. On August 9th, 2025, officers responded to a call of a disturbance where an Arby's employee was refusing to leave after getting fired.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
What are we yelling for?
I want to know why I'm fired.
Hold on.
I want to know why I'm fired.
Hold on.
I wanna
Okay.
know why I'm fired.
Okay.
That's it. Don't say shit else.
Don't yell at me.
What the hell?
Why I'm fired.
I ain't gonna lie. Who keeping Arby's in business? Like, I ain't even know they was still a thing. I only seen them at like the truck stops when I used to travel over the road as a truck driver.
I walked in the door. He told me I had to go change. I went.
Yeah.
I
Look at me.
And he gonna tell me don't come back.
Look at me.
I didn't do shit to him.
You don't come at me that way.
I don't give a who you are.
Okay, well, you're leaving.
I'm not until
You're leaving.
No, he gotta tell me why I'm fired.
I'm telling you.
He gotta tell me why I'm fired. I'm
Oh
pregnant.
Lord.
I'm pregnant. Don't play with me.
I'm telling you.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Ow! My baby! My baby!
Yeah.
Get off my baby!
Stop.
Get off
What the
my
hell?
See, I got one resisting.
baby. Just get off of me, bro. I'm not even doing that. I just want to know why I'm fired. All I did was look at the door and fire me.
She really must have loved that job.
Like, I'm
Shit.
Don't kick me.
Oh, I ain't see no kick.
Don't kick me again.
I didn't.
You kicked me.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't see no kick.
You definitely kicked me.
I did not.
Hey, why it be so hard for people to just leave? Like, if somebody asks you to leave something that's not yours, that don't got your name on it, what's so hard about just leaving? I be, what? Job could barely see me when they schedule me to work. Shit, you telling me I'm fired? Never coming in this bitch.
No, I did not.
Look at me. Stop.
Man, no, because you just threw me to the ground.
I did, because you just kicked me.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Bro, I'm not that fucking stupid. I did not fucking
Stay
Ow,
down.
bro. I'm cuffed, dude. I can't do shit. Damn.
Chill out. Look at me.
Bro, no.
Chill out. Jiminy Christmas, will you calm down?
Will you get off
I ain't gonna lie, I would freak out too if I ain't never been arrested. Like, my life is over.
me?
Not happening.
I swear to God, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm not doing this shit no more. Bro, get off of me. Bro, can you tell him? I want him. I want him. No, he's more calm. I want him. No, I want him. I want him.
Stop.
I want him. No, I want him. I don't want to walk with you.
You're walking with me.
I don't want to.
Look at
I
me.
want to walk with him.
What the hell? Why not just walk out? They already asked you to leave. You ain't want to leave. Now you putting up a fight with the cops. Your ass going to jail with more charges. Like,
Tell me you're going to walk with him?
wow.
Okay.
He's more calm. You just threw me to the ground for no reason. I didn't even do nothing to
Okay.
him.
You did,
I really didn't understand why he threw it to the ground.
We're good. We're good.
I swear to fucking God.
Your cruiser, my cruiser.
Go yours.
He like, let's put her in there.
I swear to God. Don't ever come back to Arby. They weird as
Do you have any weapons on you or anything?
Do it look like I got weapons on me? I came to work.
I'm just asking.
I came to work and he fired me when I walked through the door with his racist ass.
I ain't gonna lie, I would have low-key been mad too, because you could have fired me over the phone. I could have done something else today. So I get why she mad.
I swear to God, I'm gonna kill him.
Stop saying stuff.
I don't care. You look like I give a
Jiminy Christmas.
stupid dumb ass bitch. I can't wait to find this dumb ass. Bro, let me out! Oh my fucking God, this is so annoying!
My 2-year-old be throwing these type of hissy fits too. 2-year-old me definitely understands.
I swear to God, I'm gonna blow that up. Watch. That whole board up in flames, I'm gonna everybody. Everybody else gonna mess with me, I'll do nobody. Let me go home. Let me out. 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 Let me out.
You're making it worse on yourself.
Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
You be an adult and chill out.
There ain't nothing adult about this situation. You already knew you about to get a big ass kid with throwing a hissy fit. Shit.
I'm going home. Go to the hospital right now.
For what?
To get checked out.
I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't the hospital.
You have to.
I don't care. No.
She is really pissed.
Let me out. Sir.
I wish I had this type of love for a job, because I'd be like, man, fuck this every day that I go to work.
When you have to get checked out of stupid dumb why did ever touch me? No, let me out.
You're just prolonging your stay at the jail, I can tell you.
I'm not going to jail.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. And douche.
You in handcuffs in the back of a cop car. You definitely going to jail.
So now you can just bond out and get out.
Bro, what the do you mean? I didn't do nothing.
You got 4 charges on you.
For what?
Resisting,
Bro,
obstruction, trespassing,
trespassing.
ag menacing.
Bro, what are you talking about? Like, what the f? I will talk to my dad right now. I will talk to my mom, my auntie right now. My auntie work at the jail where she at.
You're gonna make more charges if you
Bro,
act like this.
I'm not doing it to you. You
Ooh.
I'm trying to be calm with you. You were respectful to me, so let's keep it that way.
No, I'm not going to jail.
Somebody gonna tell her?
That's dead. That's dead. No. Bro. Let me the f out, bro. The f mad because I got an attitude. Oh, because I got an attitude. Stupid ass. Bro, let me go.
We about to listen to this for the next 2 minutes. they at the police station. Now you still got some more energy. I would have been tired. I would have needed a nap after all of this shit. You done yet?
Don't touch me.
Come on out.
I'm not going to the hospital.
You need to go, cause yeah, you need to get a mental check.
Checked out too.
I'm not going to the hospital.
You're already there.
Well, I'm not going in.
You say you already
Stay
there?
calm and just we'll be in and out. We just gotta check you out. Yeah, once you refuse, it's air conditioning in there.
Do it look like she care about some damn AC?
Come on.
No, I want to talk to my dad. I don't
We'll
want
let
to
you.
do.
When we get through this situation, you can.
I want to talk
Understand?
to him now.
You cannot talk to him now. I'm sorry.
Well, then I don't know what to tell him.
Oh God, some more? You gonna do this some more?
Come on.
What the hell? What's she doing with her legs?
The suspect was charged with aggravated menacing, obstruction of official business, resisting arrest, and criminal trespass.
That's too much now. Come on now. Come on, she a kid. What the
Thanks
hell?
for watching.
What the Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. Oh, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Oh, out.